Dreamhost review. So if you want to get a review on Dreamhost, then let's move on. First, you need to open up your browser and you can go with search. And under search, you can search for Dreamhost and you will have www.bluehost.com or www.dreamhost.com, which is here on the bottom. You can just simply go with the bottom one, click on it, and this is the website. So please note that DreamHost can change their plan names and prices time to time. So please check the discount link that you find on your browsers to know about the prices and the basic plans. So you can go with Get Started, which is on the top right. And as you can see that currently DreamHost is offering three main hosting plans. Like you can see here, you can go with the monthly plan or yearly plan. So this is the shared one, which is a starter plan, and you will have the DreamPress plan and the BPS business plan. So if you go with the first plan, then it's a great place to start. You'll have the shared hosting with an entry level price for new sites, including WordPress, and you will get this at first year at $2.95 per month, and then after that it will be for $6.99 per month. So here are the all of the information that you will get with this plan. So these plan like yearly plans give you a free domain. Every plan has a free domain. You'll have unlimited traffic and WordPress installer. It will already install the WordPress, so you don't have to. And you'll have the free automated WordPress migrations and AI web builder, business advisor, and built-in traffic analytics, fast SSD storage, free SSL certificate, and you can add your email and you'll have a money back guarantee. You can go with sign up if you want this plan, or if you're not satisfied with it, then you can go with the second. But if you're not satisfied with it, then you can go with the second one, which is right here, and it also has the best features. And if you're also not satisfied with this one, then you can go with the last one, which is BPS. You can simply choose any one of these plans that you are comfortable with, or you can also go with the monthly plans. If you go with the monthly plans, then you won't have the free domain included, but with yearly plans you will have that option. But if you can't afford the yearly plan, then you can also go with the monthly plan, and you can go with sign up now. So I'll just simply go with the first one. And now you need to pick a plan. After that, you can choose a domain. So select a domain and you can secure a checkout. So they have one of the fastest loading times, an average uptime of 99.86%, which is extremely good, helpful, and knowledgeable. It has 24/7 customer support and generous 97 days money back guarantee. And in my case, DreamHost is the best cloud service in my opinion. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.